When the time
Yes.
comes na mamamatay ka, you cannot enjoy those things. And let's say you have a car right now, right? And then
Mm.
you will die. So, pag mamatay ka, sino ang magbe-benefit ng car mo, 'di ba? Hindi na ikaw, ibang tao na. So,
And
kailangan habang buhay ka pa, you drive it.
and and also we should be ano naman po, we should be mindful in rewarding ourselves. Kasi kung puro ka reward ourselves kasi deserve natin. Pero hindi pasok sa budget, 'di ba? Dapat maging
That's
practical
uh-huh.
tayo.
Yeah. That's
Oo.
the reason that's the reason I don't reward myself with material things. Kasi alam ko may sa sarili ko that I cannot be satisfied. So, yeah, kesa naman mapunta pa sa lahat-lahat ng bagay yung pera. I just crave for something deeper. And I think
Mm.
that's why I told you it's quiet time. Yeah.
That's simple naman sa akin. Food, book, and being alone. Me time. That's
Yeah,
how I reward
that's true.
myself.
That's true. So we can reward ourselves in a way that we don't degrade others. We don't degrade ourselves too, baka too much na, 'di ba? So we can mag-start na tayo?
Mm.
Sige, sige. So last time you asked me if showing off is bragging, right? And we talk about it just for a few minutes. So we shared our thought about it, and I think we shared out of hindi lang out of ideas or anything, but depends also kung paano natin nakikita yung isang bagay. And then right now, I think I want to ask you this question. So since we're talking about showing off or buying something for yourself, so for you, how do you reward yourself?
And may I ask, in what aspect ba? In what aspect of something
It could
reward?
be from your work or some success na nagagawa mo. In general, we can say in general. How do you reward yourself?
Okay. For me, I will reward myself um, buying something, especially that thing, yung parang I gain uh, knowledge and it can be benefited me, not only me, especially the other people. So, kasi sometimes maraming magagawa on how we reward ourselves. So, for example, in some other people, they reward themselves in um, sharing what they have to other people, giving back to the community, to the family. As for me, I reward myself in giving back to my family. That's the ultimate goal I had. I should give back to my family. Kasi yun yung reason kung bakit patuloy ako nangangarap. Patuloy ako lumalaban even though uh, how difficult the situation, how many failures I've been through. When I think about my family, the dream I had is to provide for them, to give them a life abundantly. That's the promise of the Lord. And secondly is I reward myself is pag so much stress, yung kumain. Kumain. Kasi pag pag nai-stress ako, parang meron akong kina-crave na pagkain that can satisfy me. Meaning, makapag-recharge sa akin, it give me strength. That's why pag nag-ano ako kasi, pag naglilinger ako sa mga being down, naglilinger ako sa mga what happened surround me, mas lalo akong nanghihina. So, and lastly is, I buy food. Sorry, rather, I buy books. That's what I shared last time.
Yeah.
I bought many
Yes.
books. So, I love to
Yeah.
read and I love to soak myself reading inspirational books. Kasi pag meron akong ganun, parang it strengthens me. And the first book I read right now is, malapit ko na siyang matapos. So, I'm excited
Good
to
job.
Yes.
Good job. That's great. I think, totoo naman talaga na in all aspects of our lives, like, we have our own ways how to reward ourselves, right? So, it depends siguro kung anong pinagdadaanan natin or what season we are in. This way, we're able to encourage ourselves to fight one more time. After another fight, one more time again. So that's good. I think it's really important to know how to reward yourself, because in this way, must strengthen ka how to keep moving. Right? So for me, I'm just a short, thought. Like, I think I realized na magkakaiba pala yung rewarding ko sa season ko. So right now in this season, I think the best reward that I could give myself is, I think, the quiet time. Yeah, because it's been a lot of things happening. Everything is overwhelming. So I'm trying to give myself like rest ka muna, self-reflection. I mean, so I think it's rewarding so much for me to reflect things, why these things keep on happening. Yeah, parang kumalma ka muna. So that's the rewarding thing for me right now in this season. But I think it will change, somehow. But for now, that's the thing that, I think can really satisfy me. So,
Yes.
sabi ko, Lord, I need rest.
It's yung sinasabi na me time, di ba? It's the way how we reward ourselves. Kasi I discover sa mga ways, sa mga few years ago, I think last 2 years, parang gusto ko yung mag-travel alone. Or mas prefer ko yung mapag-isa. Hindi naman ako loner, hindi naman ako pero I love traveling alone, doing things alone, ganun good. So, maybe, siguro, pag yun yung ginagawa ko, parang okay ako, ganun. And I really
That's
don't
good.
like, noise. Yeah.
So yun nga, parang tawag nito, when it comes to rewarding, how do you reward yourself? So nakadepende sa status natin as an individual, right? Pero ang mabuti lang is we know and we reward ourselves, because sometimes, this matter the most, since we are the center of the story. So we have to keep moving, right?
Yeah, regardless naman, di ba, kung if we deserve it or not. Kasi minsan deserve ko to, I should spend something. I should spend much kasi deserve.
Yeah. And I think that's the mindset of people, right? So yeah, that's the question for today.
And I would like to add pala, kasi yung when I started working here, since I came here in Manila last, I think almost 2 years ago, kasi I started working sa Toyota Manila too. Then I got a word from the Lord, kasi parang sabi ni Lord, in terms of rewarding ourselves, kasi it found in Ecclesiastes 2:24. It says there is nothing better for a man than that he should eat and drink, and that he should make his soul enjoy good in his labor. We should enjoy
Yeah,
whatever
that's
we
true.
had, whatever
Yeah.
we've done. So, biblical
Of
pala
course.
siya. Biblical pala siya na yung rewarding ourselves. Kasi sabi ni Lord yun
Yeah.
eh. Oo.
And I think, ano din, tawag nito, dapat lang talaga na-enjoy mo yung fruit ng labor mo. Kasi when the time
Yes.
comes na mamamatay ka, you cannot enjoy those things. And let's say you have a car right now, right? And then
Mhm.
you will die. So, pag mamatay ka, sino ang magbe-benefit ng car mo, 'di ba? Hindi na ikaw, ibang tao na. So,
And
kailangan habang buhay ko pa, you drive it.
and and also we should be we should be mindful in rewarding ourselves. Kasi kung puro ka ng reward ourselves kasi deserve natin. Pero hindi pasok sa budget. 'Di ba? Dapat maging
That's
practical tayo.
yeah.
Oo.
That's the reason I don't reward myself with material things. Kasi alam mo sa sarili ko that I cannot be satisfied. So, yeah, kesa naman mapunta pa sa lahat-lahat ng bagay yung pera. I just crave for something deeper. And I think that's why I told you it's quiet time. Yeah.
That's simple naman sa akin. Food, book, and being alone. Me time. That's
Yeah,
how I reward
that's true.
myself.
That's true. So we can reward ourselves in a way that we don't degrade others. We don't degrade ourselves too baka too much na, 'di ba? So we can reward ourselves still in a way that glorifies God, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
No matter how much we wanted to pamper ourselves, basta it brings glory to the Lord. Kasi
Yeah.
pag kinaunsa
That's true.
man, what might happen? The Lord should get the glory.
Yeah, and that's the goal.
Oh.
All the time.
And the best thing, and I remember, and the best thing that we found reward is having rest with the Lord. Kasi
Yeah.
the world right now is so noisy, ang gulo, 'di ba? And crucial na yung mga mental stability, and a lot of things happen. So, we seek reward from the Lord is seek Him. Ganun.
Of
Kasi
course.
He can only the one who can reward us.
Yeah, and that would be the greatest reward of all.
And that
Right?
yeah, and that reward we will offer at the feet of Jesus.
Yes, of course. All right. So yeah, that's the question for today's second episode.
Yeah.
More episodes to come and
And
more
see you
more
for the
questions.
next one.